My name is Ashley Chasen and I'm from London, England, currently residing in the Los Angeles area. And I'm the CEO of Second Chance Solutions. I graduated from Dominique Brown's Thursday credit repair agency. And before I was in the agency, I was working IT for a bunch of different clients, making an okay income. So I wanted a bit of a change. Since I've been through the program, I've gotten a little bit more flexibility, a bit more freedom with my time spent with my family, and I think that it's really made an improvement on my lifestyle, my time spent with my wife and my son. The one thing that's made me really happy about doing this agency, I would say, is the fact that I've been able to engage friends, family, associates, just kind of people around me who really lacked maybe scores to really be able to impact themselves in the way that they wanted to. I'm a new homeowner, for example. So being a homeowner now, I'm actually in a position to where I can actually show people like, look, I was able to improve my credit situation, and I'm now in a position to actually impact others and show them how they can do the very same. So essentially, going through this agency program has made me a walking testimony. During my rebuild process, I actually went through Dominique's process, and he actually removed a bunch of stuff from my report. He actually helped me with the budget. So based off of actually being a client of his, I ended up went from client to mentee, for lack of a better term. If anyone's on the fence about joining the credit repair agency, I'm like, what are you waiting for? Just hop off the fence, do it now. If you want to continue trading your time for someone else's dream, then stay on the fence. But if you really want to be able to impact yourself and others and just live the life that you were born to live, then get off the fence and get on and go ahead and join the agency. I love the fact that the program was it was broken down into such bite-sized pieces that literally anyone can do it. I didn't have to have any experience in this field. Just the passion to really want to help people was the one thing that I loved about it. So thanks again, Dom. You've actually really impacted my life in such a positive way, and I really appreciate it.